So on to the final verdict of the Hatsan. Is it perfect for beginners? 90% yes. If you want no gas bottle or the pump, it's nice and straightforward. Break the barrel, and it teaches your marksmanship fundamentals really well. It should handle pests and leaves you plenty of beer money in your pocket. Buy it with a basic 4x scope, and I reckon this will be really, really nice. And it'll go on for years, doing you really, really well. While you save for a PCP if you want one in the future.